India is becoming a great manufacturing and electronics manufacturing nation. Mefron is having end-to-end facility for electronic manufacturing. Any of the customers who are looking for end-to-end manufacturing, basically from raw material to the finished good, even with the packaging, Mefron is the right company which can serve the product at right price and the right quality and with the lesser lead time. So for any electronic product, we have facilities such as plastic injection molding, plastic tool room, assembly lines. We have a sheet metal manufacturing facility, paint shop, screen print. Mefron is one of its first type of electronic industries which can basically manufacture very high quality optoelectronics components, and it can assemble all these components together. Mefron is into segments such as automotive industry, medical electronics industry, mobile accessories industry, into consumer electronics, aerospace industry, and the defense industry. In near future, we would like to expand the same facility in various places of India due to the Government of India initiative. We believe Mefron will become one of the largest Make in India, Design in India and Made in India manufacturing company